What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? Do watch a tutorial video and in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Messenger can't access your photo problem solved. So basically what this problem is if you're trying to upload a photo in Messenger, it doesn't allow you to choose your photo from your gallery. So this problem basically occurs due to your Messenger not having permission to access your storage. So it's pretty simple to fix it, but if the step which I just show you is not gonna work, there's a different way to fix it as well, and I'm gonna be showing you those methods as well. But let's go with the easy method and check if it's gonna fix your problem or not. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel App Tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. Let's jump into the video without any further ado. First step, you want to search for your settings. So you just want to go to your phone setting. Once you're in your phone setting, scroll all the way down, and once you see Messenger, click on it. So this video is for iPhone user. For Android user, you need to go to the permission section of your Messenger. Once you're in the permission section of your Messenger in your Android, make sure to turn on all the permission. So I'm over here on my iPhone's Messenger permission. Over here, make sure all the permission is turned on, and where it says photo, click on it and make sure where it says all photo is tick marked. And if all of your photo is tick marked over here, go back, open your Messenger, and it should work. You should be able to select your photos on Messenger. But if it still doesn't work, so you want to come back to your setting over here. You want to go on general, go on iPhone storage, over here check for Messenger, click on where it says Messenger over here. Once you see it, once you click on Messenger, click on offload app, click on offload. After you offload your app and install it, your Messenger is going to be updated automatically. So if your Messenger was not updated, you don't have to worry about it. It's going to be updated automatically. For Android user, this process is called clearing data, but in Android, clearing your data is not going to update your Messenger. So even after clearing your data, you need to go to your Play Store to check if your Messenger is up to date or not. But for iPhone user, it's pretty simple. Once you offload your app, your Messenger is going to be updated automatically as well. Open your Messenger, your problem should be fixed. And if it still doesn't fix the problem, your last option, delete your Messenger, reinstall it again, and just go to your setting and allow all the permission as I showed you in the first step. It should work. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe everybody. Peace out.